Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Got some sun coming in today. Got bad news. We're stuck. It was fine when we got home, so I have no idea what happened. But that's a problem. That's a bad thing. I don't know what we're going to do about that. I have to see if I can find a hole and see if it's fixable or what happened exactly. But we're stuck. Now I just shoveled the yard out. Under the trees we don't ever get much snow, but right there you can see, I can't see my camera. I can't see the display. We got quite a few inches of snow. You can see somebody broke through. I shoveled around. There you get an idea. It's a little bit deeper. I've got to clear off the solar panels because we got really good sunlight coming in. And I want that power pumping in on the house today because we're home. Today is Sunday. I usually don't record on Sunday, but snowstorms are not an everyday thing when we're home like this. And we're going to be using the solar power. So I got to get them cleared off. Recording stuff takes a little bit longer. I dropped my glove in the snow. After turning on the camera, everything takes a little bit longer to record. Set up. Get some sun in that house. Some solar power. Now, it's warm on the panels, so that's going to pretty much melt off any residual. Actually, it's wet underneath, that's why it's sticking. That'll run off. Snowmobiles going around. They're loving this weather. Not many people live around us, but there's a lot of vacationers. Yeah, it's going to bring in some good power today. Full on. There's a coating of ice under that, that's why it sticks. That'll come off. Yeah, they're already warming up. I love this broom, makes the job go well. Quick and easy. So, that'll melt. There's a coating of ice that I can't get off right there. That'll melt, and the rest of that'll be gone. Yeah, it's already melting good. I'll give you a close-up. It's sliding off. It's melting quick. Solar panels are more efficient when they're cold, but because of their absorbent nature, they heat up quick. So although it's below freezing, it's really cold out, they're heating right up. And that melts off the snow real quick, which is good in winter. But in summer, I hear a lot of people, well actually for winter time or whatever, I hear a lot of people talking about using mirrors to reflect more sun on your solar panels to increase the output. It would probably work, but you don't see it done. At least I've never seen any example of it. Probably because it would heat up the solar panels, reducing their efficiency. The more sunlight on the panels, they're designed to work with the existing solar energy that's available. And although out in space they're more efficient, but that's partly, I think, due to the cold. The cooler they are, the more efficient they are. And you put mirrors on them, you're going to have a way to adjust them to stop heating up the solar panels. You might actually cook them if you get direct sunlight on a warmer time. And the panels could actually overheat and burn. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's probably why it's never been done, to my knowledge. because you'd have to have an automated way for the mirrors to be moved and angled without you being there to monitor them 24/7. Like right now when that sun peeks out from the clouds, a little period there, it'll get warm on those panels. Of course, not enough to heat them up bad, but if it wasn't so cold out, it sure would. But, and also, you've heard about the solar cookers, how they can cook on a cloudy day. So there's still solar radiation on a cloudy day. It's just these particular panels are not designed to absorb that type of radiation. Now the amorphous panels work very well on a cloudy day. So there's different types of panels for different conditions. So it's a good idea to have a mixture of different types of panels. We haven't been able to afford it yet, but that's a plan I have for the future. That'll help a lot. Well, anyway, they're cleaning off. We should go inside and take a look at the voltage and see how it's looking. It should be pumping up pretty good now, even through the little bit of snow and ice. The TriStar charge controller, if I can get you the view of that, it's awkward, is shows we're getting, I can't see through the camera, we're at 27 volts, 268 watts, it's cloudy, about 10 amps, I think is what I'm seeing. But green light is happy, that's good. We're going to charge them up nicely today. After the storm we had, drained them a little bit.